guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up some of my Young Living loyalty orders. So unfortunately what happens when school starts back is things get really crazy and busy. And so today I'm going to be opening up my August, September, and October loyalty orders with you. In addition, I have some free items that I spent my loyalty points on, and so I'm going to share those with you as well. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have lots of oil-infused products. They have household cleaning products. They have skincare products. They have nutritional items and things like that. They have items that are designed for men, women, children, babies, and even your pets. So I participate in their loyalty orders program, which basically means that I'm committed to spending at least $50 each month on Young Living products. And so each month I go in and I will change my order to reflect the things that I need for my home that month. And so usually my orders are a combination of skincare, essential oils, household cleaning, things like that. And so I'm going to get into the first bag. And I think this is my August order. So I have some tubes, and the first thing I see is a favorite of my husband. He loves the Shutran Beard Oil. So Young Living has a men's line that is based on the Shutran Essential Oil blend, and my husband has a longer beard, and so he likes to get one of these each month. Usually one of these will last him an entire month, and so I usually put one of these in my loyalty orders almost every single month. So real quick, it says that the Shutran Beard Oil features the great scent of our original Shutran Essential Oil blend, especially crafted to soften, condition, and add a healthy looking sheen to facial hair while moisturizing the skin underneath. And so the Shutran Essential Oil blend contains Idaho Blue Spruce, Ocotea, Ylang Ylang, Hinoki, coriander, Davana, lavender, cedarwood, lemon, and Northern Lights black spruce. And it smells really nice. And I have a second tube. And so the first essential oil I see is orange essential oil. And orange is a go-to favorite of mine. I love to diffuse orange with other essential oils all year round. It pairs nicely with your fall diffuser blends, your winter, your spring, and your summer diffuser blends. And so this is just a really nice one to have. I love the smell of it. It has such a bright and fresh scent. Let me read to you about orange real quick. All right, so orange is a favorite for diffusion and aromatic uses. It may be calming and bring feelings of inspiration. And I just absolutely love the way it smells. The next essential oil is Peppermint Essential Oil. I think I was running low on peppermint, so I added it to my loyalty order. Peppermint is just a really nice, refreshing scent. So I like to use it to kind of freshen up things. I wear ballet flats a lot, and you know, shoes sometimes can get a little stinky, so I will put a drop of peppermint in my ballet flats before I go to work. This is also a good one to use if you want to make it like a carpet freshener and things like that. So I really love the cool, refreshing scent of peppermint. So let me read to you what it says about peppermint in the book. All right, so peppermint can be used topically to cool the skin or diffuse for a scent that invites feelings of peace. So next I have a box. All right, so the first thing I see in my box is the Cel-Lite Magic Massage Oil. I love Young Living's massage oil. I like the Cel-Lite Magic Massage Oil. I like the Relaxation Massage Oil. And I really like the Ortho Sport Massage Oil for like rubbing on the chest and things like that when you need extra support during the fall and winter months. Let me read to you about Cel-Lite Magic Massage Oil. All right, Cel-Lite Magic Massage Oil tones and nourishes the skin with pure vegetable oils, vitamin E, and authentic essential oils. Grapefruit oil improves the appearance of skin texture, while juniper oil helps cleanse. And so the ingredients include coconut oil, grapeseed oil, grapefruit, cedarwood, clary sage, cypress, juniper, wheat germ oil, sweet almond oil, and olive oil. And so I like to use that after I get out of the shower or the bath, and I like to apply it to some of the areas that I need a little extra help with toning. I've got some more tubes. And again, like I said, orange is just a favorite of mine, so I usually try to keep that on stock. And again, we have another Shutran Beard Oil. And so you can see my August order, my September order, and now we're going to get into my October order. And so the first thing I have is a Sandalwood Moisturizing Cream. And so this is a favorite moisturizer of mine. I have very dry skin, and so I feel like this Sandalwood Moisturizing Cream is very good for that. I apply this on my face in the morning before I put on my makeup, but also at night before I go to bed. It smells great. It's very moisturizing. So let me read to you about this moisturizing cream. All right, it says Sandalwood Moisture Cream is a premium hydrating moisturizer infused with pure Young Living essential oils. It says you can massage gently onto face, neck, and other desired areas. Use daily after cleansing and toning your face. So I just love that to help support my skin. And we have another Shutran Beard Oil. So my husband should be well stocked up for a while. And so that's my October order. And then now I'm going to share with you some products I got for free. I think I ordered some fall essential oils that I needed to replenish. So I have a bag here. And so the first essential oil I ordered to replenish some fall oils was cinnamon bark. And so this comes in a 5 milliliter bottle. It is a little bit pricey, but I love this essential oil to put in my diffuser blends for fall. It just smells really nice. Let me read to you about cinnamon bark real quick. All right, cinnamon bark has a hot, spicy fragrance that is said to unlock feelings of abundance. Many use it aromatically for its warm, inviting tones. My next essential oil is ginger, and so again, this is just one that I was running low on, so I decided to replenish it. I like the pumpkin spice diffuser blend, and there are other fall essential oil blends that require ginger, so I just wanted to pick that up. And so ginger has a warm, energizing aroma that can be added to OrthoSport massage oil after workouts. I don't add it to any massage oils, but I just like to put it in my diffuser. And so lastly, I have cardamom. And cardamom is just another good essential oil for the fall. And so cardamom is a member of the ginger family and features a spicy, refreshing aroma that can be uplifting. And so those are my orders for August, September, and October, and then my free items that I shared with you. If you guys have any questions about Young Living, please let me know. I have been a member with Young Living for several years, and so I just really enjoy their products and their essential oils. And so my orders aren't very large because I just go in each month and just replenish what I need. So I will leave my referral link in the description box below. That way, if you want to try some of these products for yourself, you can. All right, guys, until next time, bye.